A special day suddenly turned into an unexpected adventure, but even drenched, love and laughter still shone through every moment.
This is coming over real soon. Oh my god. Can't believe I got that.
Huge waves made small boats rock violently, a striking reminder of the ocean's raw power. Modern humans rarely interact with animals directly, so when faced with their natural behavior, they often see it as something unusual. If you find this moment adorable, drop a number 3 in the comments below.
Hi. Look at that, so silly. Yeah. Yeah, look at that one likes you. You want him to say hi? Say hi. Yeah.
He says hi. Hello.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Fleeting or careless glance can bring devastating consequences. In the deep blue, Santa Claus suddenly appeared, bringing holiday joy to divers and their adorable underwater neighbors. Cape Town turned into a sea of white foam as strong winds swept across, making South Africa's coast look like a surreal whirl. A whole herd of sea lions suddenly slid down the breakwater like a living avalanche that captured every visitor's attention.
Oh shit!
Winter isn't just cold, it's full of challenges. Stay alert and ready to react in every unexpected situation. A fisheye lens turned Canada's skies into a glowing dome, auroras dancing like nature's light party. Strong winds swept a massive inflatable across a crowded beach, turning a relaxing moment into unbelievable chaos. Divers at Gold Coast Seaway had an unexpected encounter with a giant of the ocean, the lion's mane jellyfish.
Hey, Sue, get off of there. Get off of there. Get off the ice.
Wow, an unbelievable yet real masterpiece of nature. No matter how harsh nature is, unity and joy can turn the cold into a warm memory. On August 19th, Hurricane Aaron's force turned the coastline into a scene more dramatic than ever. A time-lapse captured the breathtaking moment a massive storm slowly formed over the skies of central Nebraska.
Yeah, get over the side, we don't want to piss people off.
Powerful storms in Michigan left heavy impacts. Even by May 16th, thousands of residents remained in darkness without electricity. Strength sometimes isn't about size. It lies in courage and resilience.
Yes. Yes, get back.
On Australia's coast, cyclonic winds created fierce waves, striking proof of the brutal force of extreme weather. Wow. A boat sped through a pod of dolphins, turning California's waters into a dazzling chase scene. When a weather front rolled over the Adriatic Sea, the sky turned dark, grand, and unsettling. Quick reactions saved 2 workers just in time. Imagine what could have happened if they'd been delayed just a few seconds. Residents of Torriana Palmi, Italy, had a heart-pounding moment when a powerful waterspout formed just off the coast.
Mamma mia. Mamma, lo scoglio ora? No, non credo che succeda qualcosa.
Guarda. Guarda come si muove, guarda che storia. Guarda. No, continua.
Slippery roads make it easy to lose control. Always slow down and keep a safe distance to have enough time to react. In New South Wales, giant sea foam formed as waves smashed algae. Strange, yet mesmerizing to witness. In the middle of Storm Gorm, a Danish rescue ship held strong against raging seas, a true symbol of courage and resilience. Welcome to the Ocean Party Show, a one-of-a-kind experience in California. Controlled demolition turned the entire area into a stage of calculated chaos.
My thoughts on Ponderosa. Actually, there's a garage here that's collapsed. As you're closer to the rim, you see all the tree damage and just how many of them is just hanging there. Let me see if it's safe to go under.
Oh my. One moment it was a normal highway, the next it became a spaceship tearing through a sandstorm. On a Missouri highway, a sudden tornado struck, sending debris flying everywhere and turning traffic into chaos. The Canadian sky lit up like a stage as the northern lights danced brilliantly, a mesmerizing spectacle. In the dangerous open sea, courage and compassion are the guiding beacons. A family in Colorado turned freezing weather into fun by freezing their festive pajamas right in front of their home. A baby sea lion performed underwater ballet, graceful spins that left everyone in awe.
A violent tornado swept across South Dakota, leaving chaos behind and showing the sheer unpredictability of nature.
Right after Tropical Storm Chantal passed, the sky lit up with a stunning double rainbow. On May 26th, a massive dust storm swept across a South Australian town, covering the sky in a thick red haze.